Hey guys, Mo again here. In this very short video, I will be unboxing, or maybe more like unpacking since this isn't really a box, the crucial Ballistix DDR4 RAM or memory modules. Since these two are technically the same unit, I will be opening and showing you just one. This is an 8GB module and this is not a kit, which means I bought two of the same unit in order to have 2x8GB or 16GB in total of RAM for the system that I will be using these in. As you can see, this is the white version of the module, but it also comes in a black and in a red version. I'm not sure if there's a blue one available internationally, but at least based on what I see in online marketplaces here in the Philippines, there are only those three colors, which are white, black, and red. This doesn't have any RGB and has a low profile style design for its heatsink. Definitely not as low profile as, let's say, that one from Corsair. I forgot the specific model name, but definitely lower in profile compared to the rest of the more common heatsink heights or designs from, let's say, G-Skill. This has a speed of 3200 megatransfers per second and cast latency of 16 or CL16. The reason I chose the white version of this RAM is because this is the RAM that I will be using in the upcoming inexpensive build. So the color goes with the CPL cooler and the PSU cable extensions, as well with the case, since at the time of recording of this voiceover, I was already able to repaint the outside of the rack anyag case. So that is it for this short video. If you like this video and similar videos, do click on that like button. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more tech and gaming videos. Thank you all for watching and see you all next time.